All right, so I went to Drudge, and this article led me to Boeing. Y'all need to look at this. Okay, so here I'll play the video in a while, but here. So here's what's the deal is. Rocket is launched, right? All right, so it's launched. Yeah, this is interesting. You see this in the front. Okay, okay, and then you see this. This is a directed energy weapon. Okay, just look at the power. See the power? All right, now check this out. Okay, so here's your comparison you can compare it to. Here's the power of the rocket versus your this. Okay, so and then up here in the sky, it's neutralized, right? The rocket is neutralized. Boom! But look at the source. Okay, there's a source up here. Okay, all right, so now let's see here. So here's your rocket. It's off, right? Okay, but you got this interesting circle. All right. So here's this. See the power, there's fire, there's the rocket, it's going off. Okay, great. Then you got, like I said, this thing. This is coming from this. Your source, your sun simulator or something. Okay, because they've weaponized space and they can do this. Look at that, people. That is probably plasma. Okay. Because what I'm doing is I'm comparing the energy sources. I mean, look at the power from a missile compared to freaking that. See? Yeah, you don't want to be in the line of sight on that one. But, you know, I bet you anything this is NASA. This is the sun simulator. It's coming from there. Told you, they're weaponizing space. So, let me play the video. So I was just kind of like trying to just go through these. That is a directed energy weapon. Okay. All right. So boom. Now over here, you know, here it is. It got hit, and it's going down. Here it goes up. Right here's your arc. Then the source from up here hit it, and it's down. There's your missile. It's down. Okay, so they have weaponized the space between the Earth and the Sun and the Moon and probably beyond. I would say to Saturn. Okay, so, you know, I've seen these UFOs. They run on plasma. So they have, yeah, they've done this. So, anyways, it's at Boeing. You could look at it. Yeah, deterrent. So, you know, there's your rocket, you know. I'm not trying to scare you, but I'm trying to show you what they've got in hand, man. The military has, you know, they got private defense contractors and all that, and they work on this stuff, and they get the brightest and the smartest people. But I'm telling you, look at your source. Where did that power come from? Okay, rocket going up because here's your arc, right? Because the Masons are into the geometry stuff. So here it is, it goes in here, and then you're zip, boom, there's your thing. And that is a directed energy weapon. And then if you look in the background, boys and girls, you'll see lightning. Huh. So that's pretty intense. And I wonder over here in the distance, what is that, like where all the generals look? Make sure that it goes off. I mean, look at the energy source on that. I don't know, man. Because it's you know, something knocked it out. Look at this. See, here's a picture. Something knocked it out. It's going down. Your little inert, little rocket man thing. But consider the source up in the sky. So what does that tell you? They've weaponized the space. You know, Ronald Reagan mentioned it. You know, a threat out there. People, the threats here on the planet. Yep. Underground you too. They have deep underground military bases too. I've seen those motherfuckers too. They run on geothermal energy. Yeah, I've seen that. So, anyways, let's see what else. Let's say I got 7 minutes. I could probably talk about the news. Go back to Drudge. But here, a new video of military experimental laser that screams. See? It's on Drudge Report. Yeah, I'd say you'd scream too if you saw that shit coming down on you. You know what? I don't even want to go through this stuff. I wanted to show you what they had, the laser stuff. I thought that was the most interesting stuff, so I'll let you go.